Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing a reveal of the Love This Memory notebook kit. So I'm just going to open this up. All of our kits come in these gorgeous boxes. And if you're ever unsure about our kits, do check our channel because recently I have done a few of these reveals with some of our different kits that we've got on our website, and I've got a few more set to come up. So if you've just stumbled across me by accident, do subscribe and wait for those reveals, or check back on my channel because there's some already on there, and check the others out. So this is Love This Memory notebook kit. Okay, you all ready? You all ready? So first up, we have this stamp set. How cute is this? We've got Love This, the best, yay. We've got Shake It Off, Just Enjoy, Smile Every Day, Be Beautiful, High Five, Start Somewhere, Life is Cool, It's a Good Day, Shine On. And then we've also got a lovely arrow. We've got the sun rays, we've got a heart, a flower, we've got a curly arrow, and then we've got a smiley face. And if you use the sun sprays around the smiley face, you can make yourself a happy little sun. Okay, so what else do we have in the kit? We also have a parakeet party stamping spot. And then the rest is all packaged up here. Let's have a look. Let me get my little pokey tool again and poke through. This would have been so much better with my scissors, which ironically live right next to my pokey tool. So actually it would have been just as quick for me to grab those and probably a lot more successful. Let me just look at that. How much more successful was that? Proper thinking. Right, so with our kits, if you've seen me do this before, you know, but if you're new to my channel, you might not. Underneath, at the bottom, there is a instructions pamphlet. So you can see here, this is the book that this creates. You've got instructions on how to put your pages together and how to use everything. Okay, and then on the back here you've got what the kit actually has, and you can learn some of the basics to get going by just scanning in these QR codes. Okay, so let's go through and see what we've got. Oh, we don't want to miss anything. There's something at the back. That's not, there we go. First of all, we've got this little bag in here. The bag has got some washi tape, and it's also got some double-sided tape, so that you use for your adhesive. You've got a block so that you can get going, and then you've got some bits and pieces. So we've got a wallet. Oh, and look, it's already got adhesive on the back. Clever, clever, Stampin' Up, clever. We have got some pop outs. So these pop out of the little squares to create some cool shapes. We've got some backing papers. Loving those. Oh, are you stickers? Or, yeah, you are. Stickers, and they're proper shiny. proper shiny. Oh, we've got some more little square push outs. So let's put those all together. Are you guys also stickers? Yeah, you are. So we've got some bright coloured stickers here and here. These are also stickers, and these look like you can use them for your sentiments to put them on there, so that's great. Then at the back here we've got some more stickers. So we've got some numbers and letters and bits and pieces. We've got the arrows again. And then you've got some more pretty paper. And this is going to be for scrapbooking and memory bits and pieces. How cool is that? So what they're basically saying, let me show you. Is you can really do the front with your pictures, pop them in. Now I haven't got any pictures for this video, so I'm going to be failing in showing you how to pop these together. But you can see that they're just building everything up. They've used, for the summer fun here, they've used the letters. They've got the wallet for all the bits and pieces for your memory keeping. This is proper scrapbooking notebook, this is, and it looks amazingly fun. So that is the kit. But what I'm going to be doing, because I haven't got any photos handy and I wasn't really planning on memory keeping, I'm going to keep this for me to memory keep at another time, and I'll pop pictures on my Instagram at Slim and Stylish so you can actually see how I'm getting on with doing my memory book. But what I am actually going to do is I'm going to be creating some cards with just the stamp set. So when we get the kits, I often think they're great and people pay for them and they make what's in the kit and then they sit on the shelf. And I always think, do you know what? You could create some really cool stuff with these and you can continue to make the kit magic last. So I'm planning to make some cards with these. So to start off with, I'm just going to grab the flower and the heart. I'm going to pop them onto some blocks. Okay, and because all the sentiments are quite fun, I'm just going to grab some bright and fun colours. So I'm going to come in with Calypso Coral and where else am I going? Orchid Oasis, yes. And I'm going to create a background from this. Okay, so first of all, Calypso Coral. Secondly, Orchid Oasis. And off we go. Fun background going on the card. Oh, didn't quite ink that one up enough. That's okay. I will what else have I got on here? I have got these sun bits, which I quite like as well. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to go with Parakeet Party. Okay, and then I'm going to take the, which colour am I going to go with now? I'm going to go with Daffodil Delight. And I'm going to sponge up the card. So I'm using some scrap paper to do that. Just going to sponge that into that side. sponge in. You see I'm taking all of the colour, I'm going quite dark around the edges here because this is a fun card. Fun, fun, fun. So then I want to pop a sentiment strip onto the card. So we have these fun and cool sentiments, and I want beautiful because I think that's lovely. And I'm going to grab a piece of basic white cardstock. I've got a scrap piece just to the side of my desk. I'm literally just chopping it off to make it sort of straight. There we go. Okay, so let's ink that up, and I'm going to be doing Orchid Oasis with that one. Beautiful. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to bring my little trimmer in. I'm going to put that into sort of a square. I'm quite happy with that sort of size. And I'm going to use one of our punches. So this is my corner trio punch. I'm going to be using this one here now. When you use this one, you want to use it correctly. Let me show you what I mean. That corner and that corner, you want to punch out like that, and then you want to flip the cardstock underneath to do that corner and that corner, so that you end up with the same pattern. Beautiful. Okay, now what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to bring in that scrap paper we had previously. I'm going to bring in the flower we had. I'm going to put a couple of Orchid Oasis flowers onto here, but just a couple, because then I'm going to use the same stamp and I'm going to come on with a few other colours. Okay, chamois, chamois, chamois. This is really not my normal card. I'm normally a bit more sort of paler in colour. This is very unusual for me, but I'm loving it. I don't often play with lots and lots of colour, so chamois, chamois, chamois. Okay, and then we want Parakeet Party. I really don't play with this much colour usually. This would normally be like, whoa, what are you doing? But I'm loving it. I think it's cute. Okay, so that's going to be going onto there. And I'm just thinking about my washi. Do I want to use my washi? I think I do. So I'm just going to put scissors, 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 scissors. Through the flower that I messed up so no one ever knows. Oh, actually I might put it there. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, just go for it, go for it. Tell me to go for it. Stick down. Trying to work out whether I wanted to colour it, but because the centre of my card's white, I don't think I do want to use my blending brush on it at all. I just want to keep it looking nice and crisp and white. Okay, card base. And burnish it. Just going to use some adhesive to pop that down. And then I'm going to come in with my pretty embellishments here, and I'm going to dot these all the way around my card. Little ones, medium ones, the big fat ones, they're all going on there. And there you go. Beautiful. What do you reckon? It's quite cute, and it's in keeping with this kit that is just so bright and beautiful. I know what I do need to do. I need to get myself some pictures and definitely start creating on this. So do head over to my Instagram because I will show you what I do with it. But I absolutely love this kit. It's all dotted. There are, do you want me to tell you how many pages there are? Oh, they're thick pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. So that's going to be 10 pages outside, 10 pages up, so 20 pages. And it's just absolutely stunning. Love that. I think that's a great kit. Great present idea as well if anyone's looking for presents. Christmas coming up, have you heard? Anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks everybody for joining me. See you soon. Bye.